Story, a Saudi diplomat has been accused of wrongful confinement, torture and even rape by two Nepalese women who were hired as domestic helps. The two women were rescued from the diplomat's house in the Delhi suburb of Gurgaon last night after receiving a letter from the Nepalese embassy. The two women, who alleged that they had been tortured and sexually assaulted, have also said they were kept in bondage for months. In the first information report, the women say they were first sexually assaulted in Jeddah and then at the diplomat's home in Gurgaon. A statement has been recorded before a magistrate, and the women will be going home to Nepal tomorrow.
कब से स्टार्ट हुआ?
हाँ, ये 4 महीना हो गए ऐसे बलात्कार करने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा गलत काम करना था।
जब से आप लोग गुड़गांव में आए तब से?
गुड़गांव में आए तब से। सऊदी में तो 1 महीने तब बहुत अच्छा थे, खाना अच्छा थे, काम करने के लिए घर के काम ठीक थे। जब तो ये गुड़गांव में लौट रहे थे, ये गुड़गांव में गलत काम करना था।
आप ये बता सकते हैं कि सिर्फ वो डिप्लोमेट ये कर रहे थे या जो बाकी उनके परिवार में थे वो भी?
परिवार उनके 6 लोग का परिवार थे। 6 लोग का परिवार में छोटा उनका बेटा बेटी है। बेटी चाहिए बड़ा वाली है ना, माँ बेटी 2 है। हमारा मारपीट करने के लिए माँ बेटी बाहर पठाएगा था, वो उनको हमसे साथ में वो बलात्कार करने की कोशिश कर बलात्कार करने की शुरू कर रखे थे और दरवाजा
माँ क्या करती थी?
माँ बेटी बाहर पठाएगा। हाँ,
तो माँ बेटी बाहर रहती थी?
हाँ, बाहर रहते थे। वो बाहर जाते थे। जब तो वो बाहर जाएगा था, वो बलात्कार करने की कमरा में आएगा, नहीं मारेगा, चिल्लाने रोने की करेगा, कोशिश चाकू ने मारना कोशिश कर रहे थे। क्यों करेगा? हाँ, जवाब नहीं मानते थे।
Wish both of you all the best actually making their journey back to Nepal. Now they have managed to speak to their family members in Nepal and are now making their way to the Nepal embassy to try and take some help so that they can be reunited with their family after their horrific and traumatic experience over the past 4 months or so.
2 लड़कियां 2 औरतें यानी कि उनको नेपाल की जो रेजिडेंट हैं और उनको यहाँ पे कैटरीना अपार्टमेंट में एक जगह उनको बाहर नहीं निकलने दिया जा रहा, अब जबरन उनको अंदर रखा गया है। इस आधार पे जब पुलिस ने वहाँ रेड की उनके साथ में ही लेके, और महिला पुलिस और पुरुष हमारे पुलिस पार्टी एक गई जब वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ ये 2 महिलाएं मिलती हैं जिनको वहाँ से निकाला गया। और फिर जब इनकी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड की गई तो इन्होंने जो लिखवाया वो ये कि ये लगभग 4.5 महीने पहले नेपाल से दिल्ली आई थी, दिल्ली से ये जिद्दा सऊदी अरब गई थी और वहाँ से ये वापस लगभग 1-1.5 महीने पहले ये गुड़गांव आ गई थी। और वो उस तब से लेके अब तक ये कहती हैं कि हमारे जो है ना सेक्सुअल अब्यूज हमारा किया जा रहा है।
He is a Saudi diplomat, the accused in this case. So you do not think it's fit to reach out to the Saudi ambassador at this stage?
Just as you know, I also have read only in the newspapers.
Right.
But I'd like to go at the facts and figures. After the investigation, when the case will be framed and established, then we'll think about that.
But don't you think that it would be right for the police to actually inform you or the MEA? Have they given you any assurance as such that he won't get away? What have you gotten from them so far?
In full cooperation and very good relations here. That's
What
no
has the
problem.
MEA assured you?
No. The case, I think the police is investigating the case. As per the investigation, as per the establishment of the case, it will be taken off.
What kind of assurance and help are you giving to the victims? It's the last question. What help are you giving to the victims?
As per the act, they will have full support from Government of India, Government of Nepal, both.
Well, behind me is the Ambience apartment. This is literally a who's who resides out here, one of the most upscale localities out here in Gurgaon, just at the Gurgaon-Delhi border. And in fact, flats here are going for several crores, literally a list of who's who reside out here. And it is here that this incident actually took place. For over a month, this family apparently kept these 2 women literally hostage out here, and it is apparently over this span of 1 month out here in Gurgaon that this crime took place, where they were tortured. According to them, they were also sexually assaulted. And in fact, what's really startling is the fact that while of course the Gurgaon police really not really commenting at all, they are saying that this is something that involves a diplomatic angle, then they are in touch with the MEA as well. We've spoken to several residents out here as well, and what they are what they have described is pretty startling. They say that when the police actually came here, around 40 policemen to try and talk to the family, to try and rescue these women, they were essentially first blocked by the family at the lobby itself on the ground floor. Then they finally managed to get to the 5th floor apartment where of course they reside here in the ambience apartments behind me, and then essentially they got into a fisticuffs with the cops. They apparently cursed the police, they spat on them, is what eyewitnesses are telling us, and the police essentially had to really hold themselves back. And finally, of course, the police eventually left the apartment building with the 2 victims with them, taking them to the police station here in Gurgaon, where after that the FIR was essentially filed. So the police also perhaps aware of the diplomatic angle of things, so they didn't really take further action. Right now in touch with MEA is what we are being told, but clearly what residents here witness has completely left them astonished. The fact that the way in which the police was dealt with by members, at least some of them who reside in that apartment block here, has completely shocked them. Many eyewitnesses here who reside in the same apartment block here in Ambience, they are in fact hoping that the police of course investigates this matter fully and of course takes all the necessary action in this particular case.